Hi there and welcome to this exciting Canva tutorial. Today we're diving into a creative project that's both elegant and simple. Let me walk you through how I designed this beautiful wedding-themed artwork step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, I opened Canva and selected my design. The background is always an important element, so I decided to change it to a light grey, clean and subtle, to make the other elements pop. Next, I searched in Elements for letter frames. I started with the letters Y, O, and U. Once I had them, I resized all three to make sure they were the same size. Let's add them to the top to make sure we make the three frames are the same size. Believe me, it will work the work easier, so they are from the top same size. Then, I selected all of them and dragged them to the center of the canvas. I will make more space between the O letter and the U. It will look better. I will group them also to adjust the positioning a little bit, just like this. After that, I went back to Elements and added the letters M and E. Again, I resized these letters to match the size of the word U, ensuring consistency. I dragged the letters M and E below U, then selected everything and adjusted the positioning to keep everything aligned and balanced. I would like to make the word me a little bigger. Since it's a smaller word, there's more space to make it bigger. Now I will group all the elements and adjust the position of the frames. I will move them a little bit to the left to keep more space on the right. Now it was time to add some text. I went to Text and added a new text box. I wrote the word love and experimented with different fonts to find the perfect one. After trying a few, I decided on the Brittany font, a beautiful handwriting style font that gives a romantic touch. I dragged this text above the letter frames, making it a central part of the design. To enhance the flow, I searched in Elements for a signature line. Once I found one, I added it to the end of the word love to create a smooth, connected look. I changed the color of the line to black, which added a professional and polished finish. Next, I duplicated the word love to maintain the same font and style. This time, I used it to write an ampersand symbol, and. I adjusted the size slightly for balance and placed it between the words you and me. I duplicated the word love again, and this time I used it to add the names of the bride and groom. I wrote their names with an ampersand symbol between them and carefully adjusted the positioning to keep everything cohesive. To complement this, I added a new text box using the Times New Roman font. I positioned this text box below the bridal names and included the wedding date or location, just to add a little extra personalization. Now for the fun part, filling the letter frames with images. I added photos to each letter frame, making sure they fit perfectly within the letters. This step really brought the design to life, adding a personal and vibrant touch. Finally, to tie everything together, I considered adding a subtle background pattern or texture behind all the elements. It's optional, but it adds depth and flair to the design. And that's it. A stunning, personalized wedding-themed design created in Canva. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for any special occasion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.